Hey, I'm Brooke, and I am super excited to review this because this is not your mother's toaster oven. This does have the nostalgia though of the Easy Bake Oven whenever I was a kid, and I have been loving this for about a week now. So I have not had it for a crazy long time, but I have tried a lot of different things. I'm gonna let you take a peek in the window here. We're about to take out, I have both fish fillets and chicken tenders in there sizzling in the air fryer mode. But while we're waiting for that to finish, I kind of wanted to give you an idea of the things that I have tried. So first, of course, I tried toast. I have never been a toaster oven kind of girl. I make my toast in a toaster. And the first time I tried it was a fail because I'll go through that. But there are different levels that you want to put things in there. Look how perfectly, for my husband, it is burnt on the back. You can see the grill marks on the back and a nice toast on the front. I've done baked potatoes in there. We have done our fried things with the air fryer. This thing air fries, bakes, toasts, roasts, broils, all of that in one compact but pretty roomy unit that you also can add water to the top to basically refreshen up things like pizza so that your bread doesn't get tough. You put a couple capfuls of water in here and add that steam. Looks like we have our first meal ready to go here. So inside here, and of course it's hot like anything else, you have, this is the air fryer tray. Look how much was able to fit on this one tray. It is much bigger, I'll say, real estate than my regular air fryer had. So that's super nice. And let me throw this on a plate so that I can get to work on my next piece, which is I'm gonna put a whole half a chicken in here. This will be my first experience with roasting a whole half of a chicken, but I have been thoroughly impressed with this so far. So let's get this chicken going and get it out, and I'll talk about some of the aspects to it that I love. So I'm holding in my hand the air fryer basket. There's multiple levels in here where you can place this. Obviously, I could put it on the top one. That's how much room there is. I'm gonna go a little bit lower so that I'm sure I have enough space to circulate there. And this takes nothing more. By the way, how adorable is this oven type setup? The door is amazing. So I'm gonna put it on 380 on air fry and set it for 15 minutes. Now I'm not gonna wait 15 minutes. This video is not gonna last 15 minutes. We'll come back and at the end whenever it's ready. In with what it comes, you get the air fryer basket that you've seen. You get a regular baking grate here, and then the most non-stick baking sheet I have experienced. I did cookies on this and they slide directly off, no oils added, nothing of that nature. The only thing I do have to say about them is that they are not dishwasher safe. So none of the accessories that come with it are dishwasher safe. Along with that, you can see I'm an Our Place fan in general, by the way. I love the fact that they mimicked the colors of their pots and pans, which I have been a fan of for years, with this Wonder Oven. This comes with your pack, has your recipe booklet, it has a quick startup guide, and then everything you need to know about the oven itself. But so far, so good. It's not loud. It doesn't take as long as my full ovens do to heat up. And for my husband and I, it is plenty. How much food was this that fit in one air fry for 12 minutes? Plenty for dinner for us. And the nice thing too is they're not lying when they say, when I made that toast, my husband walked in the house and he said, "Smells like fresh bread in here." It makes the whole house smell like fresh bread just by toasting some bread. So let's give this a few minutes, see how this half a chicken turns out, and then I'll come back. All right, so the chicken, half a chicken just went off. So I'm gonna take this thing out and see where that looks beautiful. So let's cut into it. I checked the temperature just a moment ago and the internal temperature was good, but let's see what this looks like when we cut it in a soft spot. Nice and juicy still. That looks delicious. So definitely a win on a whole half a chicken. There was plenty of space in there. But I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. So whenever I first got this out of the box, my mistake was that I took this drip pan and I put it at the wrong level. So whenever I wanted to make toast the first time, I actually tried to put my drip pan above the bottom burner. So you want to make sure that when you put the drip pan in, you are putting it all the way into the bottom. And hopefully you can see, let me find, it's hot now, but there is a lip. So the front of it here has a lip. That is the side that is on the outward side when you place it in there. This is super easy to wash, catches all of your drips, your grease, and your crumbs, and you don't have to worry about the bottom so much. But it also is super easy to wipe out and clean. So you easily can, if you look down in there, wipe all of the surfaces. The burners themselves, top and bottom, by the way, because the top is a broiler, they both are stationary. They don't come out for cleaning, but you easily can get around them. The door itself, the glass, is super easy to clean. So as you can see, hopefully, let me turn the light on there, there's a little bit of grease even from my chicken that just splattered that I easily am able to wipe clean without a problem. All in all, I can't get over how much I like this. Like I said, I was not a toaster oven person, but I am somebody who likes my appliances to be cute. I don't know the better way to say it. I like them to be decorative. So things like my toaster are put away in cupboards, and I was always getting them out and putting them away. So number one for me, this has the aesthetic that I absolutely adore. I think it's great to keep on the counter. Secondly, I implore you, I'm not allowed to use certain words on Amazon, but I would implore you to look at the coatings of your standard air fryers. So most likely we'll be using this for toasting and air frying the most, but I have so much confidence in the components of this thing as far as the surfaces and what that is putting into my food. So do your research on that and compare this to the others on the market. I genuinely recommend this thing. I'm surprised at how much we have been using it, how little effort it takes. I don't have to heat up my big wall ovens that take longer to heat up than they do to bake something. This is instant gratification for me, plenty big enough for my husband and I to have a full meal in 15 minutes if that's what I choose, and so easy and compact. As long as you have it an inch away from the wall behind it and the walls to the side, this fits pretty much anywhere. So we absolutely recommend this.